I do not own the copyrights to the music. However, when I travel, I've started being the travel because I saved up much of my money so I'd be able to do this. And I love food and pizza. And I found the best pizza while I was in Paris for the first time. I hang out with the locals and they tell me where to go to. And this guy ordered it for me, had it come to right to the hotel. And this is by far the best pizza I ever had in my life. So I hope you enjoy this video here. And hopefully you can go to Paris and get some pizza.
Margarita pizza. It's only right that I taste the pizza straight from the box, bro. Straight from the box. Look. Here it is. Look. Here it is, the pizza. Oil, amazing. Cheese, great. Only thing, it doesn't have that New York crunch, but oh my gosh. Oh, really good. Really good margarita pizza. Oh yeah. This is great pizza. Oh my gosh, it's just a classic. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Well, the burnt edges. See the burnt bubbles? That's what you want. Well, it's just that it's just not too much, not so good. Delicious. With a straight cola. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know what this is, but we're about to fuck around and find out. So you can see I'm partway into the pie, like we're a quarter away, right? Check this out. This joint is hot. I don't know what I bit on here, but this thing got some spice.
Ooh, must be the peppers.
Very good. It's really nice. Listening to my Stacy camp, chilling. My boys clean my room. Super nice. You know what I mean? Look, my room like this. Like, there's a shower. This shit fancy as hell. Fancy as hell. And look, check this out. Look at the TV. Hold on, look. I didn't even know the TV was in the fucking mirror. Bruh, it's in the mirror. Yo, what? Paris, man, look. Check this out, look. There's a little bathroom separate from the other bathroom. I was pretty upset the first time. I was getting ready to leave, but hey, man, I think things are turning on the upside. Just gotta stay positive and keep on chugging along. Eat my pie. All right, guys, so this is our review. It's the final thing on the review. Let's get it. Pizza smash. Pizza smash. Pizza smash.
This is a waste. This is a waste of our box.
Pizza smash. Pizza smash. It's pizza smash. All right. If you want to watch some clean reviews, where you know you can eat at, we're safe and unharmed.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us for more.
Post down here in the comments where you want us to leave a review, and we'll get it done for you.